Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go Airplane Mode glitch. How does it work? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to know how exactly the airplane mode glitch here work in Monopoly Go, well, there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, first, what is this glitch? Now, from the name itself, this is a glitch. So, meaning the developers are actively making updates to remove this specific glitch from the game. So, if you abuse this glitch here, you might get banned, so be prepared or proceed at your own risk. Now, what does or how does the glitch actually work? Now, the first thing that you need to remember here is going to be your multiplier. Now, in this case, I'll be using the times 10 multiplier here and where your token is currently at. So we are starting in the top section of my board here, and from then on we want to start rolling. Now, before you start rolling here, again, remember where your token is and your multiplier. Now, you want to go ahead and go to your settings here, and you want to go ahead and just basically enable airplane mode. Once you've enabled that, you can go and just start rolling here and remember your dice rolls. Now, in here, I got a 11. Let's go and just go to this one. And you can go and just do whatever you want in here. Now, obviously, let's go and just start rolling here until we've completed. Now, you may need to be really fast in here because you will get the pop-up later on. Again, I got an 11 here. And let's go and just click on collect. And let's go ahead and roll another one and see what we're going to get. Another a 3, 11, 3, and we also got an 8. So 11, 3, 8. Let's go and just roll again. And we got a 7. So from then on, you just need to go ahead and just start rolling and rolling again until you get the notification on your screen. Again, as long as you don't get the notification, you should be able to keep rolling. As you can see, we got the no internet pop-up here. So once you do get this, it's the end of your roll here. You need to exit the app. Now, what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and press and hold on Monopoly Go. Click on the eye icon. And you want to go and just click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen and click on clear all data. Now, by the way, before doing any of this, guarantee that you've backed up your Monopoly Go account. So meaning you've connected your Monopoly Go account to a Facebook account before doing so. Now, if you want to learn how to exactly do that or back that up, you could go and just check our other videos there. But yeah, so once you have your Monopoly Go account connected, you can go and just click on clear all data because we'll need to re-log in. So once you've done that, you can go exit this page. You can go ahead and go to your settings again and just disable airplane mode. Now, once you've done that, you can go and just open up Monopoly Go and it will start ordinarily. Now, the thing with this one is since we cleared all our data here, it's going to start fresh. So meaning it's going to redirect you to the login page here and even ask you a few things to set up your account. Now, the great thing about this one is you'll be able to predict what's going to happen because you're basically going to start to the starting position of where we started rolling. So I'll be showing you exactly what I'm actually saying here. Let's go and just provide our age real quickly and just click on I agree. Click on play with friends to log in into your account. And once we are logged in, we should be able to see our board again. And again, like what I said, we are going to start to the very first where we started rolling. So again, it might take a while. So just wait for a bit in here. So the thing with this one is you could do this repeatedly, but I'll be showing you why you shouldn't abuse this. So you'll get a specific pop-up later on. But yeah. So we have 97%. And we should get our pop-ups here. Let's go and close this one real quickly. Close this one real quickly. Close it. And as you can see, we're back to our very starting or our starting position here. Now, as long as you keep your multiplier here, you'll pretty much get the same output here. So, like what I said, we actually got an 11 in here. And we go to a train station. You can go and just go ahead and just proceed with that. And you can go ahead and just do as you would in here. So let's go ahead and just choose this again. And once you've done that, again, as long as you keep your multiplier, you're pretty much going to get the same result in here. So let's go and roll again here. And we got a 3. Now, what if your next roll is not ideal? So let's just say you landed on a jail or it's not optimal. What do you need to do? Well, if you change your multiplier, you'll actually get a different result. So let's go and click on go again. And as you can see, we got a different result here instead of our previous roll before. So basically, it's a great way for you to optimize your dices. But the thing with this one is if you try abusing this, because you'll be logging out and logging in again and again into your account, well, you might get a pop-up here. Now, the thing with this one is you may get this limit warning. Now, for security reasons, they may limit how many times you can relog in into your account, which in this case, you may also get banned. So you may want to be careful with using this specific glitch here. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.